Why do I always come back here? Pain, anger, hate. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod, thy staff, they comfort me. Cries of worry. Rest in peace to the lost greats. I'm talking about the likes of Pops and Muhammad Ali's. Anger and pain, the reason why I rap like these. The devil's at work, trust me, there can never be peace. Every time I dream, I see them creeping on. The spirit of my little sis and snatch away from me. But I just keep on pushing forth. I put my focus on the safety like my name's Ford. My God is beautiful, comparison to nothing on earth. The greatest in the county till the doctor announce my death. I came here alone and surely gon' live the same. My sister's fast, the shit is gon' stay the same. Me and older bro don't talk much, but I got him too. And since we lost the dad, the only thing we did was push through. My home people are too stupid or too dumb. They'd rather settle for silver than investing in gold. If you too nice and charge for your craft, they hate. They'd rather settle for wetness cause they got it free. Freedom of speech, is there freedom after speech? My point exactly, watch what you say to me. It took a brave kid to tell the story I once told. Some of y'all welcome the devil, now your souls are sold. Dear Lord, why you watching all this madness? Your kids are getting lost, they fooled by this rapping dream. Survived on my own, I told them they can do it too. They never listened, they took me for a flipping fool. I'm losing my cool, might snap the devil with a chainsaw. Obama the game and teach them what they need change for. I'm done preaching, that's not what I came for. The change is the name, the devil's still the same person. God, will I ever be great? I believe so, but it's hard pulling through from this hate. Fate, the only thing that I wish that I could control. And if I had the power, trust me, Dad would be alive. Without your role model, tell me how do you survive? I try faking a smile, though my heart is bleeding. Daddy, you left a puzzle mommy can't fix. And as I speak my heart out, I've been trying for weeks. Since you left, the whole family is tearing apart. I never knew without you life would be so hard. God, I can't take it no more. They jack me from a distance and hope that I stumble and fall. How do you trust when you've been tricked so many times? And if I don't get revenge, they gon' label me fool. I'm scared I might kill, and if I do, God, I'm sorry for that. Father, would you please save me from me? I can stop it, I can feel the anger building within. And as I shut my eyelids, I feel like they're looking at me.
Even though you're gone away, even though you're gone away, even though you're gone away, you stay right here in my heart, Daddy, in my heart, Daddy. Cries of a warrior, hey, eyes of a warrior. If I could start my life from scratch, if I could take away the pain of the past, if I had another chance, I would do just that. I could take the pain just to go right back.
Why do I always come back here?
To go right back. Oh Lord, cries of a warrior,
Hate.
you all that I need.
Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod, thy staff, they comfort me. Cries of worry.